Hi Virgo, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and I'm here to see what are the messages that pop out for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs need to hear about. Virgo. Okay, we have the Magician card for you. The High Priestess. Wow, Knight of Cups. The Lovers. I see new beginnings for you, Virgo, and new beginnings when it comes to love or something that you really love. But for most of you, it's a partner that you are manifesting. The Hanged Man energy in reverse, the Tower, Six of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Ten of Swords. I'll keep it right here. Virgo, what I'm getting here is that earlier you were not sure about a particular person in your life, and due to some reasons you were not being able to make up your mind about whether you want this person or not in your life. Or if that wasn't the case, then probably you were caught up between a lot of responsibilities and you found yourself to be stuck when it came to this person or other aspects in life, because you wanted love but you did not want to sideline the other um, areas of life like your work, family, etc. And you found yourself to be stuck even though you felt that this connection between you and this other person, other individual, was spiritual and had a higher purpose to it. You had to let go of it. And the ending was not a very pleasant one. It was painful. And if it was not painful for you, Virgo, definitely it was painful for the person that you were dealing with. Because there are two very scary and painful cards over here. But now I feel you're getting out of that energy, of that stagnation. Probably you have worked out those aspects of life that needed your attention back then. And now you're ready to manifest this person. And why I'm saying that it's a new beginning with the past person? Because you have the Six of Pentacles here. And I'm so sorry. And this is somebody coming back from your past. This is about second chances. Probably you want to give them a second chance or you want to take a second chance with them. You see stability with this person. You know that this person is really mature. It could be a Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, um, Taurus person that you're involved with, or somebody who has these signs in some important placements in their chart. It could be a Cancerian for sure. You've got the Chariot here. Numbers 4th, 1, 2, 7th, 27th, 17th, 47 could be important to you. This is your energy, Virgo. So you find yourself to have everything. You find yourself being in power of your life. You know that now you have your money in place, family is all right, health is fine, but there is that lack of that one person in your life who should have been in your as who should have been a part of your life, but for some reason they had to leave or you had to let go of them. You sit alone and you ponder on your thoughts and what had been in the past, But now you want to give this relationship another chance. Either you are going to go to them with an apology, Virgo, or they are going to be coming to you with an apology or an offer to start afresh. There could be some kind of ego clashes or arguments or fights, but I think this other person also wants you to, come back and give this a fresh start and, give this a second chance, this connection, this union that you guys had. It's definitely going to be a good ending, a happy ending. Some of you could go back to your past partner, I'm getting. Yes, some of you had to really move on, or your partner had to really move on from this painful ending. But now I feel things are falling into place, and yeah, you've got all the happy cards here, Virgo. This person also wants a future with you, but they are unsure whether you want it or not. So I feel go and communicate. Take this chance and go and communicate. They could be a little confused. Yes, they want you, but they are scared. You could be confused about whether you want to know if they started dating or did they get engaged, because there's a gap that I see over here. You guys haven't been in contact for a while. So, anything and everything could be possible. But no, they still think about you. They do get irritated with the fact that they think about you and you still are a part of their thought. But probably the universe has plans for you and this union. And that is why they couldn't let go of you, or you couldn't let go of them, even in thought. Yeah. This person now, your partner and you individually are sure about what you want, and you're okay with working hard and putting in an effort to make this relationship and your life one of success. Yes, balance could be restored. This person wants you to be next to them, you want them to be next to you, then all that is needed is the first step. Let's take out some more messages for you. Someone from your past is definitely coming back. They really want to talk to you. You really want to talk to them. Give this another chance. And I feel you should, Virgo. Because it's going to be a happy ending. You've got the Lover's card. You've got the Ace of Cups. The Page of Cups. You've got so many beautiful cup energies. You've got the Nine of Cups also. Let's take out some oracle cards. Creative. Draw, paint, think, and act in creative ways. These are general messages. Oracles are all additional messages. They may or may not be related to the tarot directly. So take them however they resonate with you. Be assertive. Virgo. Self forgiveness. Let go of old guilt and remember that you're God's perfect child. Yeah, and have faith in your dreams, Virgo. Have faith that things are working out. It's time to release negativity. Balance spirituality and practicality. So you've got the full moon in Scorpio and full moon in Pisces. Full moons are all about some cycles ending and new beginnings. Oh my god, big picture thinking. You need to let go of small mindsets, narrow mindsets, and think about the bigger picture. And so does your partner. This is such a beautiful card. Wow. The Seven Star Sisters. Express what you're feeling and make sure you communicate clearly about how you feel and what you want, so that the other person also understands and they also have room to express clearly to you, so that if you both really want to take this forward, you can come to some common ground and work your way around the things and do well, basically, together, individually, however you want this, however this reading resonates with you, Virgo. I hope it made sense to you though. Thank you for watching. Bye.